Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very mean looking Anti-Venom. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with his eyes first. So we're going to draw in just kind of like two slants. So I'm going to draw one and then two. And then once you have that, just go from the corner to corner and just kind of give a little bit of space in between. And then from there, we're gonna draw in some of the black areas on his face. So we're gonna start out in the middle here. You can just draw in like a little V shape first, right in between the eyes. And then I'm just gonna go up. And these lines are supposed to be a little bit wobbly, so. Okay, so just kind of draw like almost like two little horns, and then from there we're just gonna go up. Okay, so right over the eye, just kind of go up and then hook it down. So same thing on the other side. And then once you have that, just go to the side of the eye right here, and then we're gonna go up. So again, make the lines a little bit wobbly, and we're gonna go all the way up. Just kind of hook it back to there. Okay, so from the side, just go up, hook it back down. Okay, and then from there, let's go down and draw the mouth area. So right in the middle again, we just come down, and I'm just gonna draw like almost like a little W. And then from there, I'm just gonna keep going up and just kind of zigzag it all the way to the side here. So this is all the way to the corner of the mouth. And then once you have that, we're just gonna draw this down. Again, a little bit of a wavy line. And then for the lower, I guess the fangs, we're just gonna just zigzag all the way across. And then now we're gonna continue this his face area with the black parts are. So I'm just gonna keep going down. From both sides, just kind of like right around the mouth area. And on the bottom here, just gonna give like little spikes. Okay, and then even right here, I'm just gonna draw like a couple of little spikes. And all this stuff is gonna be black, so don't worry about lines going over each other. Alright, so it's a really cool looking face design. And then now we're gonna finish up the head. So from the side here, and this one's gonna be a little bit rounder, because this is gonna be the side of the head. And then we're gonna go up all the way around. Alright, and then from there we're gonna draw in his body. So it's just basically a very muscular figure. So we're gonna start up here. Around the corner of the mouth, we're gonna go out quite a bit. It's gonna be a big hump on his shoulders. And then we're gonna come down here. Okay, you can make a little mark first if you like. And then we're gonna come in. So that's gonna be part of his chest muscle here. So here, just come down. Okay, and then once we have that, same here in the corner, we just kind of come down, just pinch it in all the way down to his waist. Alright, so then now we can draw in his arm. So right here, here's the armpit. Just draw a little line there. And then come back up here, and here's his shoulder. Just kind of round it out. And his bicep, go back to the armpit. Just gonna draw a bracket, so come back up here. Okay, so here's the elbow. Now for the lower arm, we're just gonna go out. Curve in, and this one's gonna come down. And then now we're gonna draw his claw. So here's his thumb, so we're gonna go out. So just kind of hook it and then come back in. here's the back of the hand. And then for his claw, this is still part of his hand, and here's his finger. So we just kind of turn it inward. Sharp. Just kind of come back up, not to this point, just right here. And then now for the other finger, we're going to continue this. We're going to go 1, 2, just kind of tuck it in. And the claw is going to be right behind there. And then let's draw in the other one. So it's going to be pretty much the same. Here's the armpit. Shoulders coming down. Go back to the armpit, bicep area, bracket. Come back up here. Here's the elbow. Lower arm, we're just gonna flare out. This one's gonna curve and this one's gonna come straight down. So I'm gonna add in a lot of those little spikes and stuff later, but we're just drawing the generic body for now. Okay, and then for this thumb, same thing, just come out, just draw 2 segments and we're gonna curve it back in. Then here's the back of the palm. Okay, come down slightly and same thing here. 1, 2, 3. Here's the fingertip. Just gonna go back up. And same thing on the other side. Come down. Just kind of tuck it in. And one little corner there. Okay, so let's finish up the legs first before we put in the pattern. So just here's the hip. Come down the middle, just draw one line. Come back up here for his leg. Come down right around here. Start in here, just same thing, just bracket. And then for his knee, just gonna be another bracket. Just kind of taper in slightly. Okay, lower leg, flare out. Come back in, then we can close this off. Dome shape, come down and it's gonna come out more on this side. And then just close it off, so it's foot. Okay, so same thing on the other side. Let's see, bracket coming down right around here. Inside, same thing. And for his knee, same kind of bracket. Lower leg, flare out. Come in, use the other side for reference so you know how far down. This one's gonna come almost straight down. Close it off. Here's the dome shape. Come out more on this side. Alright, so yeah, very generic muscular body. Okay, so let's move back up and let's finish up all those little details on his body, which is kind of cool. Alright, so let's start out with the spider. So just come down the middle here in his chest. Just gonna draw in one circle first, kind of like an egg shape. And then I know there's 3 segments, but I'm gonna simplify. I'm just gonna draw one more on the bottom here. So we're gonna draw a little bracket like this, and then we're gonna draw a little arc like this just to make it look a little bit meaner. Okay, and then we're gonna come back up here. We're gonna draw one of his legs. This is gonna be the back legs. So start here. Just gonna come out, and then it's gonna go all the way down. Okay, to about the middle of the thigh. And then now we come back up here. We're just gonna give it some thickness. Again, this is all gonna be black, so don't have to worry about lines going in, crossing each other. Okay, so now let's go back up and finish up the one on the top first. And then, so we're gonna start here. This one's a little bit thinner. This one's gonna go up. And then we're gonna come down. Okay, so hook it down. And then just go out. All right, and this one is gonna be a little bit thicker on the ends there. So I'm just gonna give it a little bit of thickness in here. Just gonna have it flare out more on the ends. Okay, so those are the front and back legs. So now we have to draw in the ones in the middle. So this one's a little bit easier. So now we're gonna draw this one. Just gonna give it a slight angle. Okay, so start here, come out, let's go out. And then one more, so right here, up, and down all the way out. I know there's a lot of lines right here, but we'll see it much better once I shade it in black. Alright, and then on his arm, he's got a little band here as well. So I'm just gonna draw one band and then another one here. Okay, so that's pretty much the body design, and now I'm gonna add in some of those little, I guess, tentacles and fangs or whatever you call these things. So I'm gonna start here. I'm just gonna go around the lower arm here. I'm just gonna go up. And again, it doesn't have to be straight, and it's actually better if you kind of zigzag it a little bit. And then we'll come back down. Just come back and connect to that. And we can add in a little bit of a, kind of like a hole here. And then on the back here, I'm just gonna draw one more. Okay, so I'm just giving it different segments. And then those little tentacles, I'm just gonna draw one here. Give it a little bit of thickness. Even up here. So you don't have to follow this exactly. You can just kind of go around and draw your own little designs. Maybe some over here as well, just to balance it out. And that is it for this Anti-Venom. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.